This is my 78 Laser Olympic class. Got it on Craigslist in Newport Beach for fairly cheap, less than a couple $100. It was basically hull, hiking strap, spars. I got all the deck fittings, no hood rudder, no rudder head. Anyway, it was half of the job. I stripped it off, took all the hardware fittings, as you can see. I started to clean it up and also work on the basically major, but it is not really major. This is the biggest damage I had found here. I already cleaned it up, vacuumed the inside, injected resin with hardener, made a mix of resin with fiberglass cloth chopped in very fine small particles and fill it up, as you can see. Fairly well job. Camera is not that focused, I don't know why. But next thing now is put some epoxy resin on top of that, sand it, find the other little nicks and little dings. As you can see, there's here and there, you know, holes, very solid. There's no delamination at all. There's no holes or cracks, nor inside nor outside. It's fairly impressed with the condition of it. I already got a new center board. I do have the inspection parts. I took it off, all the brake and the ratchet. The drain is a brand new one. Anything and everything you can imagine is already ordered or on order, waiting to come and get the delivery. As you also can see here, I have to sand this thing, remove the old one, replace with a new one. As here the gooseneck as well was missing the pin, the gooseneck pin, so I have to buy basically another one. It's already here. I'm gonna clean it up a little better and replace it probably tomorrow. For now, my main focus is work on this. Waiting to dry, should take a few hours. Pretty much done for the day. Alright, next thing we're gonna sand this deck, sand the hull. The hull is that lime green. It's fairly good conditions, few scratches here and there. Nothing major, nothing too deep. Already got a new tag for it. As soon as it's painted, I'm gonna replace the stickers, do some cool paint job. Nothing like the new ones, the boring white, wool white deck. We're probably gonna do some color. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Once we do some more, shoot some more videos to show the progress.